उठकर देखिए सुबह का नज़ारा, उठकर देखिए सुबह का नज़ारा, हवा भी है ठंडी और मौसम भी है प्यारा।
सो गया है चांद और छिप गया है हर एक तारा, सो गया है चांद और छिप गया है हर एक तारा। कबूल करिए आप गुड मॉर्निंग हमारा, कबूल करिए आप गुड मॉर्निंग हमारा। So good morning and welcome to all the students present here. I am Shivanjali Burile.
And this is Nishita Timande, and we are both from Pandile Sir's English Speaking and Personality Development Academy.
So now the guest of today's program has just entered to the premises of our coaching classes. So welcome them with a thunder of applause.
Now I request our today's guest to proceed for garlanding the portrait of Dr. Sarvapalli Radhakrishna and Savitribai Phule. So guys, claps. Thank you very much, sir.
Now I request our today's guests to comfort themselves on the dais on their respective seats. So guys, give them a thunder of applause for our guests. So now I would like to call here Sampada Brahme to welcome our today's guest Vandile sir.
Now I would like to call upon here Arya to welcome Pratik sir.
मिट्टी से जिसने सोना बनाया, जिंदगी को जीना सिखाया, लक्ष्य भेदने का जिसने मार्ग दिखाया, उस गुरु को शत शत प्रणाम.
Teachers hold a very important place in the lives of a student, and they play a very important role in shaping our nation's future by guiding their students in becoming the ideal citizens.
There are many more occasions and Teachers' Day is one of them, which is required to deliver speech on to describe that what the teachers plays the role in the society as well as in the schools.
Now I would like to call upon here Harsh Patrakar to express his views. So guys, clap.
गुरु का महत्व कभी होगा ना कम, गुरु का महत्व कभी होगा ना कम, भले कर ले कितनी भी उन्नति हम. Good morning everyone, respected Vandile sir, Pratik sir, chief guest and all my dear friends. Today we are celebrate Dr. Sarvapalli Radhakrishna birth anniversary. Radhakrishna was born 5 September 1888. Radhakrishna became the first Vice President of India and nation's second President. The National Teacher Award are given to the meritorious teacher by the President of India. Teachers are our second parents. We should respect our teacher. Even according to our Prime Minister Narendra Modi, teaching is not a profession, a way of life. This day I give one message. We should respect our teacher. कोई सफलता कहता है, कोई मंजिल समझता है, कोई सफलता कहता है, कोई मंजिल समझता है, मगर छात्रों की कमजोरी को सिर्फ शिक्षक समझता है. थैंक यू.
Thank you so much Harsh for expressing your views. So now I would like to call here Ashutosh Vargane to express his views before us. So guys, clap for him.
ज्ञान देने वाले गुरु का बंधन है, ज्ञान देने वाले गुरु का बंधन है, उसके चरणों की धूल भी चंदन है, उसके चरणों की धूल भी चंदन है. गुड मॉर्निंग एवरीवन. टुडे वी गैदर हियर फॉर डिलीवर अ स्पीच ऑन टीचर्स डे. टीचर डे सेलिब्रेटेड टू 5th September every year in all schools or colleges. It is celebrated on birth anniversary of Dr. Sarvapalli Radhakrishna. Dr. Sarvapalli Radhakrishna, he was born 5th September 1888. Dr. Sarvapalli Radhakrishna, his first Vice President and second President of India. He was great social worker and teacher, and also he even awarded by Bharat Ratna. Teacher Day celebrate to acknowledge hard work role played. Teacher is our life. Teacher play an important role making our life better and correcting our mistakes. Different countries celebrate Teachers Day any different date and honor of the teacher. UNESCO declared 5th October World International Teacher Day in 1994. various programs organized in our school by the school students and honor of the teacher. Finally, I would like to thank my teacher being a strong pillar in my life and guiding me in every phase of my life. Last but not least, I would like to wish my beloved teacher a very happy Teachers of the Day. Thank you.
Thank you, Ashutosh. Now I would like to call upon here Piyush Mungle to express his views.
पेरेंट्स के बाद जिनका है स्थान, हाथों में जिनके फ्यूचर की कमान, जो जमा है पेरेंट्स की तरह हक, वही है हमारे रिस्पेक्टेड अध्यापक, वही है हमारे रिस्पेक्टेड अध्यापक. गुड मॉर्निंग वन एंड ऑल प्रेजेंट ओवर हियर, रिस्पेक्टेड वांदिले सर, प्रतीक सर एंड ऑल माय डियर फ्रेंड. टुडे वी आर गैदर्ड हियर फॉर सेलिब्रेटिंग टीचर्स डे. Teachers Day celebrated every year on 5th September. Teachers is the most important part of our life. We even can't imagine our life without teacher. Teachers is our friend, our philosopher, our guide, who hold our hand, open our mind and give more and more knowledge. We celebrate Teachers Day to mark the birth anniversary of Dr. Sarvapalli Radhakrishnan. He was the second President of India and first Vice President of India. He became president in 1962 to 1967. He was born in 5th September 1888. After becoming president, some of his friends and students approached Dr. Radhakrishnan to celebrate his birthday. Then Dr. Radhakrishnan replied, "Instead of celebrating my birthday, I would be privileged if 5th September is celebrated as Teachers' Day. Then after that day, we celebrate that day as Teachers' Day. If our country is corruption free because of three keys, they are father, mother and teachers. Teachers play a very important role in our life. Teachers take their best to turn the student into responsible citizen." After conclude my speech, I would say, जब गिरते हैं हम हार कर, तब साहस वही बढ़ाते हैं. ऐसे महान व्यक्ति ही तो शिक्षक गुरु कहलाते हैं. शिक्षक गुरु कहलाते हैं. थैंक यू.